Hey, and welcome back. Okay, alright, so this is from the previous lesson we had, so let's just remove everything. So, today, now in this course, we're going to talk about the keywords, expression statements. So, we know the keywords that we did learn from the basic vocabulary. The keywords is, like int, string, double. We have this kind of keywords. We have more if and many others. But for this lesson, purpose of the lesson, we're going to stick to very simple and basic, and we're going to talk about the expression and the statements. So what all of these three things are. So let's go for it. So let's type int and keywords, right? So let's call it for let's call it for score equal 1000, and let's go for double mega score. Let's just go for int mega score equal 10,000, right? So as we see here, these are the keywords, right? So the expressions are essentially the building blocks in Java. Expressions are built with values, variables, and operators, and method calls, which we will discuss in the future, but not for this lesson. Data types are not the part that can form the expressions. Expressions are the components of values, variables, and operators. So in this case, if you look at here, we have the score, and we have the equal, and we have the 1000, right? So we know we have the variables, right? Here the variables, and we have the operators equals, and we have the values. These are the expression. Then we have we can write something else. Let's write, for example, if score equal mega score, true, else not true. So as you see here, we have components within the brackets are expressions. So we have the score in here, and equal mega score. This is the expression, and inside here as well is an expression, and this is an expression, right? So we have something called statements. So statements, think of statements like a complete line, completely, So if you actually write int score equal 1000 semicolon, that's it. That's the statements. That's how it works. Let's try to make a challenge here. Let's see if you actually understand what I'm trying to teach you, and see how it goes. So I'll just remove everything. All right, have a look at the code right here and observe the code. Find out what is in the code that is the expression and what is statements. Pause the video and try to think and see and try to find a solution. When you feel ready, just play and I'll give you the answer. So did you figure it out? All right. As you can see, the score equal to 150. That is the expression, and this one is expression as well. Inside the component of the if is expression, and so is the print line as well. All right, great. So that is for the lesson for the keywords, expressions, and statements. So for the next lesson, we are going to talk about code blocks, white space, and indentation, which means code organization. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, and see you in the next lesson.